Hello graphic designers, in this tutorial you will learn how to create glow effect in Photoshop 2023. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. Let's start. First we will make a selection of the leaf. Open any selection tool and select the leaf with stem. Press Ctrl plus J 2 times to make 2 copies of this selection. Convert its blend mode to screen. Press Ctrl plus J to copy. Convert blend mode to overlay. Now hold Shift and select first 3 layers. Go to Filters and convert for Smart Filters. And go to Adjustment panel to add inner glow. Note these settings for a perfect glow, but you can use any color depending on your leaf color. Also add outer glow and note the settings. Press Ctrl plus J to make a copy. Select first layer and go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian blur. Set radius around 500. Convert blend mode to soft light. Select background layer and open color lookup. Select 3D moonlight in File. Press B to open brush tool. Use black foreground color. Click on the fingers to remove some moonlight effect. Create a new layer and use green foreground color. Click on the part that you just highlighted. Convert blend mode to color burn. Again add a new layer and increase brush size using bracket keys. Convert blend mode to dissolve and decrease its opacity. This will give it a magical look. Create a new layer to add some glow behind the leaf. If you liked this tutorial, then like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.